So I picked up this Civivi Yonder. It's a Halloween version, so that was pretty cool. Trying to add to my Halloween series. Here's the box, orange and black, so typical box stuff. Alright, your knives, stickers. Oh, it's bent. Instructions, nice little cloth. Some more stuff. Other products. Oh, so that's what it looks like. Alright, so the scales are G10. So the blade is 2.88 inch. I got a logo there. Blade's also black. It's a 14C28N metal. The handle G10. Apparently the Yonder won Best in Show at Blade Show last year, 2024. Yep, so it only weighs 2.68 ounce, so it's not really heavy. It feels pretty good. And closed, it's a little under 4 inch, so it's like 3.74 inch. I think it looks pretty fun for Halloween. I don't know, seems interesting. It only costs $74, so it doesn't break the bank.